Saw this idea online. Thought, how hard can it be? Grabbed a couple of bags of compost, dumped them in, planted some flowers around the edge, picking colors that go well together. Then nicked a salad bowl from the kitchen, which my wife definitely doesn't know about yet. Threw in a handful of pebbles from the driveway, carefully poured in some water, and then just dropped a solar pump from Amazon on top of the rocks. Pointed the whole thing at the sun, and it actually works.
Whoa! Whoa!
Back's killing me, but we're building the ultimate lazy man garden by stacking these cinder blocks. Just don't drop them on your toes, trust me. Dump in that dirt, spread it evenly, slap those stakes in with a hammer, then treat every single block hole like a tiny studio apartment for an onion. Can you tell I've been doing Pilates with my wife? It looks like a dirt cake right now. And bam, full-grown yummy veggies. Hope you enjoyed the video.
This was about as simple as a backyard project gets.
placed one cinder block on the ground, slid 2 boards into the openings, and that was pretty much the whole frame. Then I just stacked the firewood between the boards, let the weight hold everything together. Now we can enjoy a nice fire together. Hope you enjoyed. Check out our other videos for more DIY projects.
My wife is always saying we need more space for extra things around the house. So I painted these 2 pallets with a classic dark black, then added the wooden planks and secured them with screws. Moved it into the hallway and added some decorations. Now she's finally happy.
Finally, extra space for those towels.
At least until she finds me another project. Catch you on our next video.
I had a random pallet, some PVC pipe, drilled some holes across the pipes, slapped on a few clamps with some screws, filled the holes with soil, planted some yummy strawberries, and now I have a whole strawberry wall. Now, what should I prepare with all these strawberries?